Have you ever spent time with a Russian? If the answer is yes, then you've probably heard them say this.
Блинский.
But have you ever wondered what it all means? Or if there is a link with the Russian pancake? Привет, студенты! In this video, I'm talking about the most common Russian slang word you absolutely have to know if you want to make anyone think you speak Russian or impress a Russian speaker. You will ask me, but what does this word mean? Well, in Russian, blin is a softened version or an euphemism of a way harsher and vulgar swearing word that Russians replace with this more neutral and safe to use word. However, this word still expresses frustration at some point. In English, we can relate it to the words heck or damn it. How to use it? That's super easy. You spilled your morning coffee? Say blin. You're running late for work? Say blin. You want to say the F word but there are kids around? Say blin. But why did Russians start using this yummy word as a soft swearing, considering how much we like this dish? Here we can find multiple theories. The most popular one is that this word sounds close to this root swearing блять. Or another one, which I honestly prefer better. Since old times we have a phrase to express frustration, блин горелый, which means a burnt pancake. Indeed, who would like a burnt delice? And so, with time, people just shortened this phrase to one word. And if you want to know more about slang in Russian, check my article about it. I will leave the link in the description. As usual, if you like that video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and follow me for more videos. Your interest is the best motivation for me. And if you find that video useful to understand the Russian language and culture better, then let me know that in the comment and I will make more of such. See you in the next video. Пока-пока!